In 2026, something strange is happening. The skills that once made people successful are now quietly losing value.
You're doing great. Just keep optimizing this system.
I'm irreplaceable, right?
AI no longer competes with you. It replaces the very ground you stand on.
We're restructuring. AI is handling most of your role now.
But I built this system.
That's exactly why it was easy to automate.
The specialist doesn't disappear because they fail, but because they succeed too well at being predictable. The career ladder is gone, replaced by something messier, a web.
Just pick a stable job.
There is no stable anymore.
Rule 1, your specialization is becoming your limitation. The future rewards aggressive generalists, not perfect specialists.
I don't need to be the best. I need to be adaptable.
The most valuable skill is no longer learning, it is unlearning. In a world where data contradicts itself, intuition becomes capital.
Decision accepted.
You both want certainty. There is none.
The highest income is now in ambiguity.
But I need security. Security is ownership, not loyalty.
The safest strategy is not employment, it is distributed identity. In a frictionless world, friction is premium.
I trust you more than the system.
The highest paid skill in an AI economy is still human understanding. You were never competing with AI. You were competing with predictability.
So the real question is not, what will AI do next? It's what will you do when it stops needing you to be replaceable?
Treat your humanity as your most valuable asset, not your weakness.